Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kesang Maha ke Arpu Pratrik Naitung ulapli ke karkhana Sanjri na Centrifuge Latex Manufacturing Unit ha koksi nengsat ka bahap ha songsak CNRD Block East Garo Hills kanang ban penkubor ha pedengkin pat nongrep dingjeri jong kathan. Kani ke karkhana ke dei ke beningkong ha ke jela bat ka baar ha kathan syate lami ka bapen ya ke jingkut jemut jong ke sorkar pan kentiu ha ke liang ke kamai ke ji bat ha ke sengkam sengjam. Ya kini ke karkhana la penyai da ke sister Rose ka bedei ka dong seng jong ka Mendi Pathar Multipurpose Corporation Society MMCS. Bat ya ka bala beitin karo ke sorkar jela lingba ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency hadu khat para poin para kelur. Kani ke projek kan penmentoy hadu kumbab lai hajar ngut kinong drep dingjeri ha keleng kerilum garo. Menteri Rangba Kejela ha ka jingkran ulaong. Kani ke karkhana kan dei ke jingkerku ke bukrau ya ke rilum garo hi barok kawe namar kan aji mentoy ya ki babun ba ki nongrep ki badan bentah ke kamrep dingjeri. Naduk baka sorkar jongi kalawan ha ke bor hau arjar khat pra ka thong ba khamat ke jongi ka long ban snguthu ya ki jing jong ki nongrep jongi bat ban ai ki lat jingkershan na ke bentah jongki. Ngila penteri kam ya shibun ba ki program bat ki skim beper kum ka fokus plus bat ka CM farm plus ban penmentoy ki nongrep ulaong. Haba pentip ba ka thong jong menteri Rangba kari ka long ban kentiu arsya ya ka kamai kaji jong ki nongrep Konrad ulaong. Ha Meghalaya ngidon kam ban kentiu palat ya ka arsya ka tada ka bapai halor ka jingshan ya ka bakongsan ha karep karyang. Ban kenjo sya ka thong jong ka yok ka kot ka $10 billion ngidon kam ban kentiu ya ka kamai kaji bat kilat kilenti na ka benta ki nongrep jongi. Ki nongrep dingjeri kilamat ya ki jing mentala slembha na mar ka jingsha khnyat ha ki nong khayi ki banasya bar jong ka than. Henry kani ka karkhana kan penkelan no ya kani bat kan penmentoy shibun ya ki nongrep dingjeri. Ngi kenturu ya ki nongrep dingjeri bakin di ya ki marjong ki sya kani ka karkhana ha ka dor ka babyang bat ka ban ombam ru ya ka por ulaong.
It was in 1987 with the support of Rubber Board India that I introduced rubber cultivation in this region. The journey was not easy. Many questioned the idea, what will you eat from the rubber? Some others argued that it won't be eco-friendly, and even the dogmas were hesitant to allot land. Amidst all this, I was given a nickname Rubber Rose. But today, I stand before you proud and grateful. Despite hurdles, rubber plantations have flourished across Garden Hills. Thanks to the persistent effort of Rubber Board and growing faith of farmers, the sector has.
Hagan di kesengi Menteri Rangba ula buru ya umau nongrem na ka benta bante ya ka fruit dehydration unit ka beningkong ha Meghalaya. Kani ke projek ka syong dor hadu kumba arhulai kelur ya ka ba la khmi lenti ba on la ban pendap hau benai naiwing usnem ban wan bat ka ban la ban penmi hadu 9000 saus pa MT kiso bala penderkhong mala usnem. Kani ke projek kan penmentoy ya palan san hajar ngut ki nong rep lingba ka jing thiet ka batikna bat ha ka dor ka babyang bat ka bakentiu ha ka liang ka yok kam yok jam. Ngi don kam ban pensilori ki samla ban shim ya kelenti ban sengkam sengjam lajong lingba ka CM elevate ngila kershani ki nong sengkam hapo ke jela ula benrap. Hakani ka sila ya don langru menteri ketenat PHE Marcus Marak MLA kethan Marton sang mana lor kiwe.
So we are here in Sinengsak village in East Garo Hills, and as you can see behind me, we are here to lay the foundation for the fruit dehydration unit. This is almost a 23 crore unit that will be set up in the next 15 months, and based on this, fruits like pineapple, banana, oranges, jackfruit and other products will be dehydrated and will be packaged to be then exported also and sold all over the country. The advantage of this, of course, is that the fruits which would have normally gone to waste will now be processed, and the farmers will get a lot of benefit out of this. And this is, of course, one of the first of its kind in the entire state. And we expect anything between 10,000 to about 15,000 farmers to be benefited directly because of this project, and a turnover of approximately in the initial stages about 10 crores, but ultimately about 15 to 20 crores in terms of turnover will be there in terms of the production of this particular unit. And again, this is one of the steps being taken by our government to ensure that we are able to increase the farmers' income by adding value and having food processing in this entire process. So this is a very big step, and we expect that the production of this particular plant, the completion and production of this plant should be ready by next year, 2026, before Christmas. So before the next pineapple season in 2026 in the winter, we hope that this particular plant will be completed by then.